Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your USB-C charging port. So I mean how we can clean it basically. So if something goes inside, you can do it really easy. At the first you have to grab your phone like that, and you have to prepare something very thin. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit to get you a better view of it. Okay, right now it looks good. So as you can see here, we get some kind of the paper or something like that. So we have to put it like that from one of the edge, and then just take it off. As you can see, it was very easy, but I was unable to plug the charger. I mean, I was able to plug the charger, but I cannot, it wasn't charging my phone, right? And we can make few gestures like that, because it will be probably there's some kind of the dust or something like that inside. Remember to do it slowly and don't break this black line. As you can see right now, it looks really good, and we can finally use our cable. So that's how it looks. That's how we can clean your USB-C port. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!